When you're doing these problems where you're trying to find consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers, or consecutive even numbers, the information that you need to start are the number of numbers that you need, whether or not it's consecutive, odd, or even, and then the total that you're looking for. So in this case, we're looking for 3 consecutive odd numbers whose total is 105. So when we're working on these type of problems, the initial setup is we're going to do this with algebra. We're not going to do it where we just do the average. We're going to start off where the first number is x. The second number is going to be x plus 2. Because we're not looking for the number that's right after x, we're looking for the next odd number after x, so we have to add 2 to it. And then we have to find the number that's after this one by adding 4 to the first number. So this is the first number, this is the next odd number, and this is the next odd number after that. And the total for all 3 of these things is going to be 105. So the setup would look something like this. So we have the first number, we have the second number, and then we have the third number. And the total for all 3 of those numbers is going to be 105. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 1, 2, 3 x's. So I'm going to do 3x. And then I'm going to add the constants of 2 and 4, so that's going to be plus 6, and that's going to equal 105. Now, what I want to do here is I want to get the x by itself, and then I want to get a number over here by itself. So the first thing I want to do is I want to subtract 6 from both sides. So this 6 and this 6 will cancel out. And then 105 minus 6 is going to be 99. So we have 3x equals 99. I'm going to switch over to another larger sheet of paper. So we have 3x equals 99. I want to divide both sides by 3 to get this x by itself. So I'm going to divide this by 3, and then I'm going to divide this by 3. So 3 over 3 equals 1, so I'm going to reduce that down. So now we just have an x by itself. And 99 divided by 3 equals 33. So if you remember our initial setup where we had x, x plus 2, and x plus 4, so if x equals 33, then the second number, x plus 2, equals 35, and then x plus 4 equals 37. So I'm going to take those numbers and we're going to add them up. So we have 33, 35, and 37. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, carry the 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. And there's our total that we started with, and here's our final answer. So the 3 consecutive odd numbers that total 105 are 33, 35, and 37, and that's your answer.